Welcome to 809 Azalea Street in beautiful Mission, Texas. This beautiful property is listed at $334,000 by Monica Salinas and the firm Real Estate. Let's go check out this beautiful property. Hey y'all, Talice here, your McAllen Realtor with DXP Realty. And today I'm giving you a full walkthrough of this stunning new construction that honestly feels like a luxury retreat and at an affordable price. Whether you're relocating to the area or just looking for a modern home with low maintenance and high-end finishes, this one deserves your attention. Let's start right here with the exterior. One of the first things you'll notice is the stamped concrete driveway. It's not only durable, but it adds a beautiful custom look right off the bat. The landscaping is already done for you, and it's on a full sprinkler system, so you don't need to worry about keeping things green year-round. Now this garage is something special. It has both front and rear entry, and it means you can pull through to the backyard and use the space for entertaining or just have better airflow while you work on your projects. All right, stepping inside, you're welcomed into a bright, open space that's filled with natural light. We've got 100% LED daylight lighting throughout and these decorative ceilings, but everything feeling more spacious. The wood look tile gives the home a warm, modern feel, plus it's durable and easy to clean, which is great if you've got kids, pets, or just a busy lifestyle. This open concept layout flows seamlessly from the living area to the kitchen and dining area, which makes it perfect for entertaining or spending time with your family. Of course, you've got these 3 large windows here that gives you plenty of light, and you can see outside where the courtyard is. We'll check that out here. Let's check out this kitchen. It's absolutely gorgeous. Stainless steel appliance package already included. Where are you gonna find that at? You got some custom cabinetry. You got that quartz countertop, of course, an electric cooktop. Let's check out this pantry here. Large pantry, okay. Also, there's tons of counter space for meal prepping, plenty of storage for everything from cookware to small appliances. There's also some clean lines, modern finishes, makes this space feel elevated but still super functional. Look at this sink. Love the gold touches. Y'all know I love me a nice kitchen, so this is very beautiful. I love it. So let's go check out this courtyard you've got out here. This courtyard is very beautiful. I love this part of this house. So this courtyard side entry is such a cool design feature. It gives the home some character and privacy. It's perfect for a little bistro setup or even some potted plants or herbs. If you're into that like me, it's very nice. I love that. So you do have that side entry over here. As we say, you do have that garage door that leads to the back here. And then these 3 large windows are huge. Also, the bathroom has a door that leads to outside. So if you're having a get together out here, if people are playing outside, they don't have to go through the house and get the house dirty. So that's pretty cool. Right off the main living area, you'll find a convenient half bath over here for when guests come over. And as we said, it's got the finished sleek fixtures and design as well, the gold and that quartz countertop. And as well, as we said, it's got that door that leads to outside, so the guests don't have to come in through this door here. So that's nice, I love that. And I have that at my home as well. So let's move on back here to the rooms. As we make our way back here, you've got the laundry room. Okay, and this laundry room, of course, is beautiful. Huge, you got a lot of storage here. And you've got that same quartz countertop, the gold handles for the sink here. This leads to outside. We'll take a look at it here in a minute. This is the split floor plan. You got some large bedrooms here. So these are the secondary bedrooms, generously sized for the kids or the guests or the home office, of course, or a workout space if you like that. There's great closet space and the same tile flooring that's throughout the whole house. That keeps everything cohesive and easy to maintain. Look at this closet. Look at this. Sick. Then you've got your shared full bath in the hallway. It's clean, modern layout, same as that other bathroom. You've got the same quartz countertop that's throughout the whole house. Love this towel that's in the shower as well. You've got a little bench here and plenty of storage here. Love it. So everything in this house feels upgraded. You know, everything is clean, modern, you know, quality finishes, no builder basic finishes here. Everything feels very clean and upgraded here. This is your secondary bedroom or your third bedroom. It's got that same large closet as well. Love the built-ins. Gotta love that. A lot of room in this room. A lot of space. I love these crown molding ceilings. Love seeing those. All right, now it's time for the primary suite. So we'll head in here, take a look at it. This room is tucked away in its own private corner of the home. It's spacious enough for a king-size bed, of course, with a nightstand and even reading nook or a dresser setup. So it's got plenty of natural light with 2 windows, just like the rest of the home. It's got tall ceilings and it's got this luxurious vibe to it. Very nice to see. Let's check out this primary bathroom. I love this door here, this barn style door. Just wait until you see this master bathroom. This is your own little spa right here. You got a soaking tub, relaxing baths, beautiful walk-in shower with surround door vanities, quartz countertop, custom cabinetry for extra storage. There's also a walk-in closet over here we'll take a look at with storage space. Is not an issue here, so beautiful, just all around beauty here. I love these rainfall shower heads here. And let's take a look at this bathtub. Look at this, huge. I don't know if I can fit in this one, but it's still huge. Love it. So you got multiple shower heads here. A lot of different options. Got one up top, one overhead. It's pretty nice, and then you got the tub. So pretty good stuff here. This closet is just crazy. I mean, space is not an issue here. I mean, you can do sprints from one side of the one side to another here. I mean, look at this. There's just so much space. Floor to ceiling, pretty much you have storage. So you got built-ins here. As much closet space as you can imagine. It's all in here. I mean, it's beautiful space. All right, let's go check out the backyard real quick. You know, that's a staple. I always gotta check it out. Looks like you don't have neighbors behind you here. There's a farm back here, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, you got a farm back here. Got a decent sized backyard here. So that's awesome to see. Pretty neat backyard. What's back here? So no neighbors back here. And then you can still walk to the side of the house to get to the other side. That's pretty awesome. So if you're looking for a home that combines modern style, smart design, and energy efficiency in a safe gated neighborhood, 809 Azalea Street in Mission, Texas needs to be on your radar. Whether you're a first-time buyer or upgrading or relocating to the RGB, this one is move-in ready and built to last. Want to schedule a private tour or get more info on this home or homes like this? You can call or text me anytime. My info is down below. Or call me at 956-300-4343 or email me at brysales@outlook.com. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, have a blessed day.